What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore the incredible Klipsch RP-1600SW Subwoofer, combined with the Klipsch WA2 wireless subwoofer kit. This powerful combo is set to revolutionize your home audio experience, and I'm excited to dive into the details. First off, let's talk about the advanced acoustics of the RP-1600SW. The newly designed Cerametallic woofers are a game-changer, providing an exceptionally light and rigid structure that results in remarkable low-frequency response. What this means for you is a cleaner output with minimal cone breakup and distortion, all while using less amplifier power. The result is a more efficient subwoofer that can produce higher sound levels without sacrificing quality. This is a huge benefit for anyone looking to upgrade their home theater system, as you'll be able to enjoy a more immersive audio experience without breaking the bank on a massive amplifier. Another key feature of the RP-1600SW is its balanced performance. Klipsch has managed to strike the optimal balance between amplifier power, driver capability, and cabinet volume, resulting in maximum low-frequency extension with output, accuracy, and speed. This means that you'll get the best possible sound quality out of your subwoofer, with deep, rumbling bass that will leave you feeling like you're right in the action. Whether you're watching a movie, playing games, or listening to music, the balanced performance of the RP-1600SW is sure to impress. Now, let's talk about the ground-up driver design of the RP-1600SW. The front-firing driver allows for flexible room placement options, so you can put your subwoofer wherever it sounds and looks best in your room. This is a huge advantage over other subwoofers on the market, which can be limited by their design and placement restrictions. With the RP-1600SW, you have the freedom to experiment with different placement options to find the perfect spot for optimal sound quality. Plus, the sleek and stylish design of the subwoofer means it will look great in any room, so you don't have to worry about it being an eyesore. The high-efficiency Class D amplifier is another standout feature of the RP-1600SW. The proprietary internal geometry, combined with the new aerofoil slot port design, minimizes port noise for clean, undistorted low frequencies. This means that you'll get the purest, most accurate sound possible, without any unwanted noise or distortion. The Class D amplifier is also highly efficient, which means it will run cooler and use less power than other amplifiers on the market. This is not only better for the environment, but it will also save you money on your energy bills in the long run. Finally, let's talk about the wireless subwoofer capability of the RP-1600SW, courtesy of the Klipsch WA2 wireless subwoofer kit. This kit allows you to place your subwoofer wherever you want in the room, without being restricted by a speaker cable. This is a huge advantage, as it gives you the freedom to experiment with different placement options to find the perfect spot for optimal sound quality. Plus, the WA2 kit supports up to 4 units simultaneously, so you can create a truly immersive audio experience with multiple subwoofers. The wireless capability also makes it easy to set up and use the subwoofer, as you won't have to worry about running cables or dealing with complicated wiring. In conclusion, the Klipsch RP-1600SW1600W subwoofer, combined with the Klipsch WA2 wireless subwoofer kit, is an absolute powerhouse of a system. With its advanced acoustics, balanced performance, ground-up driver design, high-efficiency Class D amplifier, and wireless subwoofer capability, this system has everything you need to take your home audio experience to the next level. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or a music lover, this system is sure to impress. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Klipsch RP-1600